Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atle Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that in Australia, the first ETF, Bitcoin ETF, will be listed next week, and a second one, it's coming up, but just about it in a second. The second news is that 400 new projects and 100,000 new wallets are on Cardano in the last 30 days. So this is how much it has grown. And the third news is all about that according to a research, insider intelligence believes that purchases with crypto will increase 70% in this year 2022. So guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to stay up to date, which is very important in my opinion, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel Blockchain Bloom, because I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every single weekday. Also check out the links under this video, many useful ones. There are many affiliate links you can save money with as well. And of course, there's a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And when we're looking at the chart, we can see that Bitcoin is up 2.6% in the last 24 hours, which is $41,872 at the moment, while Ethereum is up 2.5. That makes it 3,127. When we're looking at the top gainers, ApeCoin is going up very well, 35% in 24 hours. We have then Synthetics Network going up 27%, almost 28%. And there we have on the third place, Aave going up 13%. When we're looking at the losers, well, Redix, the only one pretty much, with minus 3.7. Then we have OKB, actually Chain, it's 2.5, and then OKB 1.9, but not big losers at all. Let's have a quick look on the candlestick chart, where we can see actually that now this support line, and not support line, this trend line, put it this way, which is basically right now support, functioning as support, was working pretty well. And now we had here on the daily yesterday, before yesterday, and today so far a green candle. Here on the MACD we can see that there will be a bullish crossover coming up. When it happened the last time, then we had this nice increase, then we had this bearish crossover, then we went down, and now a bullish is pretty close, so it's about to form. Will this be enough? Of course, we don't know. The next level, what we have here right now, we have touched it and just crossed it. This is around the 42,000-ish. And maybe now we're looking forward to meet again 44, 45,000. And then can it go higher? It's a good question. Can we actually go up and down here in this channel? This would be also interesting, but this is so far what we have right now. Okay, and now let's move on to the first topic. The first topic is all about Australia, and they coming out with the first Bitcoin ETF on the next week. ETFs are definitely important for Bitcoin because it will make Bitcoin more mainstream and more well-known, and more people will invest. This is the good side of it. Put it like look at from this angle right now. And we have here Australia, and they coming out with the very first Bitcoin ETF, and this will be listed next week. And why I'm talking, I actually, just before I started recording, I went on Twitter, and then a Bitcoin magazine shared a breaking news that the second Bitcoin ETF will now also list in Australia next week. So actually things coming up very fast in Australia. When something starts, then it's like a real kickoff. And there was a speculation actually, this is just about the first one, that $1 billion inflow can happen when the ETF goes live in Australia next week. And the very big thing while we're waiting, because we have this spot ETF in Canada, we have now then in Australia, but the big one what we're waiting for is definitely the United States to have it over there. And there is a pressure on the SEC that to allow it sooner or later to make it happen, maybe even this year or next year. This is what the predictions are, and definitely this could be a catalyst, because we have already ETFs in the US, Bitcoin ETFs, but these are the future ETFs. So you know, this is basically garbage paper, put it this way. But when we have a spot ETF, we have real Bitcoin behind it, and this would be a catalyst definitely for the market. So other countries like Australia joined the game, like Canada and some others, but the US is the one what we're waiting for. But this is definitely great news. And now, as we read, breaking news, the second one is coming up as well, both next week. Okay. Then the next topic, and that one is all about that 400 new projects and 100,000 new wallets are on Cardano just in the last month. So it looks like that the Cardano network is getting more and more popular because people are building and there are new wallets. And according to this article, there are 400 new projects and 100,000 new wallets in a month on Cardano. The number of 80 wallets has increased, as you can see here, since the 22nd of March. So basically we're talking in a month time, with the total figure standing now here 3.2 million, roughly speaking. And this was now on the 19th of April, so today is the 20th, so one day before. And here, according to Tuesday Twitter post from Cardano creators, input-output, so IOHK, there are now 900 projects in development on the network. The figure has grown by roughly 400, as I said, since March 11th. After the IOHK vice president, Tim Harrison, stated that the total stood at around 500 via LinkedIn post. And then now you see, obviously, we have 900. And, you know, the Cardano is basically, you know, the proof of stake system, which was basically co-founded by Charles Hoskins. And it's out since 2017, and the development is on for a while. It's a kind of slow thing what's happening there. But there are many fans who like Cardano. And despite increasing number of projects in development, the number of decentralized applications, dApps, up and running on Cardano apps are limited. And when you can get DeFi Llama, there you can see it pretty well. Because look, the dApps that we have here on Cardano is just like basically 10, that's it. And then the total value locked in these dApps altogether is 224 million US dollar. And actually, when you look at the TVL, it's like, you know, basically none from 7 to 10. So 4 out of 6. So there is definitely a hype getting around Cardano, and you know, as a layer 1 solution, it's definitely something people interested in. It has a big fan base. It's great to see these numbers. What we should see more for true increase and for Cardano price going back, because you know it was on $3 back in September roughly, and now when we're looking at here, it was under $1, but where is it now? Yes, it's still under $1 right now. So it's just 1/3 of its peak price, which was roughly speaking about half a year ago. Okay, but of course the whole market is down right now. Good, and now let's move on to the third topic. And the third topic, it's all about that insider intelligence believes that, you know, people who purchasing with crypto in 2022, this number will grow 70%. So we have here this article, and which shows that 3.6 million Americans, I might have to sneeze, survived. This is like the allergic time now here in Hungary. What do we have? Oh, man. Pollen. Okay, so 3.6 million Americans to use crypto to make a purchase in 2022. This is the prediction. At least this is from the analyst firm Insider Intelligence. And they believe that the crypto transactional value will increase by 70% in this year. So payment will go up 70% this year. The firm predicts that this will be end of the year 3.6 million US adults. So we're looking at the adults here. And according to the company's principal analyst, David Morrison, he's saying that we also expect that more crypto options will be layered into how people pay, like cards and digital wallets. These factors should spur high crypto payment growth rates over the next few years. So this is definitely an ongoing process, because if you think about it, you read every day about some new company accepting crypto. There's a new method to pay with crypto, and the future, what the future is bringing, is definitely that it will be much easier to simply purchase anything with your crypto. I just read somewhere now today that there is a Porsche dealer. They accept now Dogecoin and Shiba Inu with BitPay because they have a partnership. So actually, there are news every day out there. And the firm also predicts that by the end of 2022, US adults who are crypto users will increase to 33.7 million. And in 2023, this number will go up to 37.2 million. By the way, according to their last prediction, this number is now lower because they said before that by the year 2021 it will be 46 million. But of course, we haven't reached that one. But definitely crypto users number is growing. People who are investing in crypto is growing day by day. You can see if you just look at the Bitcoin wallets and Ethereum wallets and many other wallets, the numbers are increasing, and what people invest in crypto, it's also going up. And of course, there is now this big wave from institutional side, and now we have the regulations. So the whole space is about to change. It's not as it was before in the previous bull runs, 2013, 17. Now you see more professional people investing in crypto, Wall Street moving to crypto in a way, and this will definitely change the rhythm of the market and also the volatility. We might not have that big blow of tops anymore as we used to have. However, we still have the halving. So now this time it's very interesting because the market is changing and we have to relearn it, how it's functioning. But yeah, actually, so far so good. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, hit the like button if you like this kind of content, what I'm creating every single weekday. Subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay up to date. And of course, see you tomorrow. So I wish you a great day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.